Machiegni, migawo mar somo koro yango ni penj madongo ma higa ni ibiro tim mana kaka nochan. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo Julius Bitok olero ni giselalore kod migepe mochung' ne chenro mag omenda kendo yiere ni omenda duto madwarore ne somo ibiro chiw. Wach nosir kod jakom mar komiti mar od bura mochung' ne weche mag somo Julius Meli molero ni migawo mar omenda oseketo singo mar chiwo omenda madwarore.
I want to say that the Committee of Education actually made a decision that they will provide the money that is required for exams. So I want to assure all learners around the country that their examination fee will be paid as directed by the Committee on Education from the National Assembly.
On the issue of exams, we made it very clear that the money has to be provided. And I want to assure parents out there and everyone else that there was a commitment from the National Treasury that they shall provide the money and our students will sit for exams. And we are firm on that, and I think everything is okay, and we inform the parents to know that their students will sit for exams.